The circle glows, the center turns. No need to seek, no need to start. The sun was always in the heart. Its light does not depend on day. It shines when night has washed away. It gives without the thought of more. It warms the ones who close no door. I breathe and feel the brightness grow through every cell. The rivers flow, the pulse expands, the body gleams, the world reflects its golden stream. Remains no outer wall. The light of heart includes it all. Each shadow softens, each pain forgives. The heart as sun in all things lives. Each beat a dawn, each breath a ray. The heart gives light in its own way. The world receives, the world replies. Each life a spark that never dies. And in this glow so vast, so one, awareness rests. The heart, the sun.